to the my belly, I go bang. It's funny from very good food. Very good food.
Wow, Sinatra.
Today we're at the Yam Park and we're gonna be having yam and whatever the goes with it possible. I think I'm gonna go for sweet potatoes because I like sweet potatoes with probably ackee and saltfish. Let us see what's gonna go on and how it's gonna taste. I'll give you a review, guys. Welcome to Neutral Vibes.
Roast yam and saltfish for me.
I'm waiting on some real Jamaican, authentic Jamaican food right here. So at number 4, Yam Park. Yeah.
You want sweet potato.
Alright, guys. Perfect. So, okay, guys. So today I'm getting food done for me. I'm not gonna be cooking today. And so this lovely gentleman behind me is preparing for me sweet potato and ackee and saltfish. And for Newt, he will be getting yam and saltfish. Well, guys, let us enjoy. Let us view. Lovely pears. I'll be eating one today. Yes, guys. What's your name, sir?
Carl.
Okay, Carl is preparing my sweet potato. Very hot and steaming. Yeah, man, Carl, come like you did have it ready. Wait for me.
Yeah, man. Come out for the fire, you know?
Yeah, man. Oh my God, guys, look at the steam. Yeah. So Carl is the man trying to get rid of me. Yes, I thought. I'll get ready. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, so Carl is preparing our meal and I'm loving it, guys. Carl is so receptive and so nice. If you guys want to come here, this what number is here? Number Carl? Carl is number 4. Trust me, guys, he's amazing. And he also sells pear when it's pear time, pear season. At this time it's only $300, but maybe later on it might drop. But who knows, right? Let's come to see what Carl taking care of saltfish. Oh my God! Carl will you like this? Jesus Christ! Look at that. This is all mine.
Yeah, man.
Oh, look at that.
You need to taste it.
Yes, Carl, let me taste it. Oh my God, it's hot in there, guys. I'll open it for me, Carl. Thank you so much. Oh my God. We never mix it.
Smell nice.
Come on. Carl can cook. Carl can cook. I'm serious about it.
How much years he has been cooking for?
Carl, how much years has he been cooking for? How many? No. How many years have you been cooking this corn?
Oh, a long time, man. Well,
Come close on my car here because it's
30 years now that we've been doing this.
over
From
30.
the whole road.
Wow.
Yeah, man, over 30 years.
30 years old.
Yeah,
Trust me, so you know say man things
Yes,
season
man.
up on that. Yo, let me tell you something. I tell you the truth to God love. I've been eating ackee out the road, and trust me, this is the best ackee I ever eat out the street. It tastes really good. Love it. I'm gonna make Carl start out the next one for you right now.
Yeah, man. But me just want.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, me just want saltfish.
But it tastes mine now because trust me, it's bad. I'll back up. Oh, remember, I need my pear. I can't afford it now.
Oh, you want? You want a piece of the slice in the anyone here?
Yeah, come on, come get a video.
Try my food there, some man. You know the light, you know?
Babe, me think I take up my chair.
But for real, man.
Oh my God. Carla thought on my pear. I see the inside of the pear, Carla. What's up, bud? Pretty like a money. Look at that. Music.
Nice.
Pretty, Carl. You can rest it right here, so I'll make a deal with it after.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, thanks.
You want your chair, man? You want me to go for your
Yeah,
chair?
please.
You say straight yam you want?
Straight time you want or you want it mixed?
You can get potato too on.
Or mixed. Anything way easy for you, Carl. We work with it. You've been great to us. The Carl have him thing well hot,
Yes,
well
ma'am.
ready.
Just
See it there?
come on for the fire.
Yeah, man. Carl thing turn up right there, so. And number 4.
Right at number 4.
Yeah, man.
Time.
Yam Park.
Yeah.
Oh my, look.
Yam
Oh no, look.
Park.
Oh no, look how yam pretty, people. Look how yam pretty.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Yam pretty like a money.
Yeah, Melrose Yam Park.
I taste it and you yam.
Yeah.
Yam dry and nice, Carl.
Yes, man.
Thank you, babe. And so we set up shop beside it right there, so we're gonna sit down and eat.
Oh, this chair go again.
Push it out.
Huh?
Hold this.
Oh, this is
Here.
it. This is it.
Okay.
This is it.
Make it all go down well. So, potato, they're pretty cold.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, look on the yam, them people.
Nice.
Look on the yam. And when the African starfish go up on the top, it's a go bad.
Yes, man. Nice.
Yeah, man. So, Carl, you're the only one work here, or you have...
Inside of my stall, I'm the only one.
Oh.
Inside of my stall.
Okay. So you plant your grown provision, or...
Yeah.
Really?
but,
Yeah, go on with a bag of things,
Yeah,
man.
man. Sometimes and sometimes.
Sometimes you have to purchase when time year one run out. We understand the thing, right? Nice, man.
Yes, man.
Go through Carl. Nice. Sweet potato. Carl did the ladies first, you know?
Yeah, man. I had to put it lady first.
Get a good stuff.
Hi guys, number 4, right at Carl is the spot. Yeah. What you call nice. Yeah, man, tastes really good, Carl, and all that.
So if you have a little eating.
Yes, man.
Alright.
Welcome, man.
You line up the something then before you ask Carl question. First time eating here for the season, guys. First time. Oh my god, baby.
Nice.
Just try it and nice. This can eat by itself.
Open mine, let me see.
That's yours.
Huh?
To the my belly, I go bang. If I didn't want to food, thanks, Carla. Carla got finished with the rest of the pear, and we're gonna sit down and eat. Come, baby, line up the camera so we can.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Your chair too short for me to sit up this one.
And take my chair then.
So guys, we're having Akin saltfish and saltfish. Akin saltfish and saltfish and pear and roast yam and sweet potato. I did that here, it's good. I hope so. Guys, it's so bad. Guys, the food bud. This tastes really, really good. I'm loving the texture of the potato with the active of this nice sweet taste of my love. With the potato, mud.
It's alright. You want to move this, you can move it to them. Alright. Alright.
$3. And trust me, look at it. Very pretty. Very pretty. And tastes so good.
A $300 prepare, so now come a country compare $300 prepare. What do you know? Can't pay $300 prepare a country and call a
You can try the food though, the food nice, you know?
And sweet potato.
Nice.
And sweet potato, trust me.
I'm sorry, I love that thing, you know? Just with the pear nice. Very nice, you know? Yeah, man, saltfish, you find that food nice. Yeah? It's nice, man. The food nice. Trust me. Yeah, man. Huh? Alright, yes, man. Call up everything in there. Come in, Rasta, man.
Yes.
Call. Show them what go on in there, so there. Yeah, cause it's a nice lady. I take care of them, you know?
How much is that? Like what these guys eat?
It's $1,200.
Set them up nice like we call. You see me?
Trust me, very good.
What you having? What you having?
So I'm having ackee and saltfish. I'm having saltfish. And I'm having sweet potato.
And roast yam.
Under the bottom, and my sweet potato is amazing. But he's having yam and sweet potato. He's having just yam? You're just having yam only. But you're having both.
Along with saltfish.
But trust me, to me this is amazing saltfish.
Alright, come here, me have some guests to come off of the plane 11 o'clock.
Oh man, this
Yeah.
would be perfect.
Right?
Yeah, this good enough, man. Trust me.
Yeah.
Have to create memories, you know?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Your food's so nice, just a run out.
No, you actually don't. You actually don't.
Son. So bring good luck, Country Rasta.
That's true. This here tastes like butter. Mixed with all of this. Hold on. This is the potato. So good.
Big chef, you know?
See, take it very pure with the chain.
Okay. This?
This is the man behind the cooking, you know?
Yes, man. And I can't see it
You see?
tomorrow.
Food done.
Food finish?
Look at yours.
Almost finished. Guys, I don't want it to finish. It's too good. It's too good. So good. Thanks, Carl. Ready? Thanks, Carl, for very good food. Very good food.
You cook some more thing, Carl?
Yeah, man. I'll set up some more.
Okay. For real, man. Food really nice, man.
man.
Are you there every day?
Not every day. Me only come today and tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday.
Say me come during the week, I can't see you. Oh.
Okay,
Oh.
bye.
Alright, take care. Yeah, man.
Respect. This is respect. Yes.
He's only here on the weekend.
On the weekends alone.
The weekend.
Alright. Alright, take care. So you sell farm produce and thing too?
Yeah man, and when me have the big stock to sell.
So you normally bring it here?
Yeah man, like me have yam, corn, sorrel and everything.
Oh, this is natural carrot juice.
Yeah, natural carrot juice.
Don't have anything on the outside.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Yeah man.
So you're only here on the weekends? You're here right for the week? Oh. So when Carl was here on Saturday and Sunday, we can check this man. He's at number 3.
Okay.
Friend, you know? So once Carl gets on their friend,
True, true. Nice little vibes, you know? Nice little vibes, man.
yeah, definitely. The period of later. Can't believe about a dozen periods that that's all I'm gonna call. So where will that period disappear to? When we look around and say period gone, no period no left. Yeah, for real. And the period bad. Period nice one. Jamaican pear.
Yeah.
Best thing ever. Yeah man, Rasta called pear tree. This come off a Rasta called pear tree. Right here, so number 4.
First time I stop. It's a good experience, you know? I'll pass back at them. Good experience, man. Yeah, man. Empress says she walk and find the most ideal shop on a ride, that's how she come, you know? Yeah, man, right, that's how. Yeah, man. Anyway, energy ride.
Yeah man.
That's how we tap, you know?
So what's your name, sir? Donald. And Donald is right next to Carl. As remember guys, Carl is only here on the...
I want to ask Carl something. Carl, most people cook saltfish and it's salt.
Yeah.
See on the salt, what you do? Soak it first and...
So you see, say 2 man them can cook alike.
So you're not boil the saltfish?
Yeah man. We don't really boil. We boil over. We soak.
Okay.
Soak and boil. Soak and boil.
Okay.
Just roast mine.
Yeah.
Put it under the pipe now and soak it out.
Okay.
Now we just cook up me
and then
Yeah,
ingredients.
throw a little water.
They know that can't salt.
No.
Can't salt.
Yeah man, cause
It's
me I eat and
perfect.
I notice it's just right,
No,
you know?
so the man then can cook.
Yeah man.
We never go nowhere and eat saltfish.
Yeah.
Or, yo, the saltfish bad.
Yeah man.
The saltfish bad, man.
So just saltfish and ackee and saltfish you do?
Yes.
Okay. No salt mackerel and...
Oh, with them the jerk chicken too, now, babe. Jerk chicken stand people right there, so.
Okay.
You feel like jerk chicken, it's right here.
And you no boil soup, no dear, just this alone you do?
Because you have people with the you have people with the jerk chicken, and you also have people who cook soup down at the bottom and sell juice. Sometimes we have to leave some things to some people, though.
Yes man.
Yeah, man. I have to leave some. Yeah, man, for real. So over there, so what? Some of the other shops them have over there?
Bars.
Oh, bars. Oh, so when you come to Carl's place, we come dine.
We come prepared today, we have a table and chairs.
And check it out. The bars at the back, guys.
I have to ask the Empress. Sometimes we go some place and
Kitty.
you see me? Yeah man, you just find one little tree
Yeah, you know.
and I with that, you know?
Yeah man.
Everything I do, man.
Rasta said he wouldn't mind taking away your table, friend.
Our little table where we do a little cooking, you know? Yeah, sometimes we go like rivers and stuff. And we just, yeah, definitely. For real, man.
It's the vibes, man. I love how the man then deal with the highway and still make. You know, can't name my food same way, you know? Yeah. A little part where they walk on the house road there.
It's follow the white wall there, you see? And it come right out in that pathway.
Neutral vibes. So we're on the other side of the road.
Exploring.
Neutral vibes. So my belly bang.
Because of the food that Carl just cooked.
Saltfish and yam. Oh gosh, very good.
Saltfish and yam and sweet potato.
So this is the other side.
Wow. So now we're on the other side. Gonna let you see cars coming up. See? And just a while ago we were over on the other side. We came
To the yam park.
we came to the yam park, guys. And trust me, we went. There's so many stalls. There are about 12 stalls that sell yam, potato, saltfish, and ackee and saltfish. Probably jerk chicken and probably some soup. You know, you can find a little bit of this and a little bit of that here. And over behind the back, you'll find all the nice bars, a nice place to sit and eat. But then guys, we walked up and we saw this gentleman. His name is Carl at number 4. And trust me, when we stopped at Carl, he was so receptive. His food was so awesome. Trust me guys, trust me. Over 30 years of cooking this type of food, trust and believe me. He did a great job, exceptional job. And we love it. Yeah, man, authentic Jamaican
Couldn't be
food.
more authentic. It's the best I've ever had.
Yeah, man, definitely.
And listen, I'm not telling a lie.
We're not telling a lie. Let's approach out with it. Nobody's right here with us. You know, so we're just being honest, the food is good.
I just want to say thanks for watching Neutral Vibes. It's always a pleasure having you tuned in. And I just want to say, please remember to like,
Subscribe
and
share. And guys, we want to thank all our subscribers. So guys, keep on sharing, like, and subscribe, guys. Peace. Love you.